Hi, we are Team 11 for the SER517 capstone project. Our project is Medvise. It is a patient advocacy app. Basically, what it does is it's mainly like an Uber interface between patients and patient advocates. Patient advocates are your go-to need when you have a medical condition and you don't know how your insurance works or what kind of questions you need to ask your doctors and stuff like that. So Medwise provides an iOS app with which you can connect to advocates and you can talk to them and get your medical needs done better. So let's jump into the app. So this is the uh, login screen of the app, and uh, the first thing we are going to do is create a new account. So the username, let's say Hari, and password, let's say. So the password needs to be a capital letter, small letter, and a special character combination, and it should also include a number. So this meets all the conditions, and it should also be 8 characters minimum. So we need the email address and a phone number. So the phone number is required to get the verification code to sign in the app. So let's go ahead and sign up. So as you see, the confirmation code is here, and yeah, so registration is complete. We go into the app. So this is, we have intro pages for first time users. So it just gives an overview about how the app works and the high level features of the app. The one main feature is search that allows to type in diagnosis and with that find a great patient advocate that matches the field. And then next is connect, so it connects you with the patient advocate and the patient advocate with you, so you can have your conversations within the app. And finally we also have records wherein you can add your health related data and your conversations with the patient advocates as well. So all the sign in and sign up uh, modules are done using AWS Cognito in the backend, and it takes care of all the verification code, forgot password, and stuff like that. So now let's get started with how the app works. So this is our home screen for the Medvise app. It shows the human vitals like heart rate, blood pressure, temperature, weight, and height. So currently this is kind of like a static page that takes in data from the user, and this can be used to record health related data whenever required, and this data can be used by the patient advocate to come to a conclusion. So the next thing is the search feature. So what we do here is we can have three different types of searches: one by name, next by location or specialty. So we just go in and type name of an patient advocate, and it shows up the patient advocate, his specialty and stuff. So I can go in and it gives his complete details in here. And now similarly I can search with location or specialty as well. The next thing is record. So in here we can add any health related records that might be needed by the patient advocate. So for now we have the vitals here. We just add the heart rate, blood pressure, height, weight, etc. Say 110, and heart rate 80, and so on. And Once you click submit, it will just add it to the home screen. So again, we can have some other records like lab results, receipts, health services receipts, etc. So now we can again go to the next part, that is connect feature. So in here we have the list of patient advocates that we have connected to in the past, and we can just go in and look at each patient advocate and either use audio call or video call or messaging. So let's say we want to call Cardi regarding some information, and we just go in and do video call, and when I click connect,
it connects me to Cardi through video call.
so now let's see how the Cardi's side of the app works. Cardi is the patient advocate that we just looked at. So the login and sign up is basically the same as the patient's app done by Amazon Cognito. And as you can see, there's Hari, that's me, already connected with Cardi. So I can just go in here, and again when I click connect,
it connects me to the patient side of the app, and that's how video call is done. So once the patient connects with the patient advocate, they can have a conversation through video call, and they can have trouble-free network using the Twilio API, and it's used basically to bring the customers back to the app and have it as a feature that will make the customers come back to the app.
so the video call is done using Twilio's API, and it's pretty cheap, and the sponsor really liked it. And the app can further be extended to support live vitals, from taking it from health apps like Fitbit or native health app in the iPhones and sync it to our app. And we can also extend it to Android platform, and then we can also include the payment modules in here, which would make the transactions between patient and patient advocates easier. And that's it for now. We had a lot of fun developing this app. Thank you.